Shopify is a powerful e-commerce platform that allows you to create online stores, sell products online, manage orders and payments, track customers and sales. And the best part is you don't need any coding skills. To begin, open your web browser and go to Shopify's official website. Once you're on the website, click on Start Free Trial. Now, create your account using your email address or sign up with Google, Apple, or Facebook. After that, Shopify may ask you to enter your payment details and choose a subscription plan. You can either select a plan or skip this step for now because Shopify offers a 3-day free trial. Next, Shopify will ask you a few setup questions. You can answer them according to your needs or skip them if you want. After that, enter the store name you'd like to use and click Finish. Once this is done, you'll be taken to the Shopify dashboard. This is where you'll manage everything related to your store. To add your first product, click on the Add Product button. Now, enter your product details, including product title, description, images and videos, category, price, product status and publishing options, product organization details. After entering all the information, click the Save button. Next, let's choose a design for your store. Go to Dashboard, then click on Online Store. Shopify provides several free themes. Choose one you like and click Edit Theme to change the images, colors, text, and layout. After that, set up your payment methods. Go to Settings, then Payments, and enable Shopify Payments or any other payment option you want to use. Finally, go to General tab and set your store details and billing address. Once everything is set, go back to the dashboard and preview your store to see how it looks. So that's how you can create a basic online store using Shopify on your PC or laptop. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more easy tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.